warrant for, but you got to come up here now.
Now?
When people act like, who, me? Who, me?
Good morning.
You got to show up here, Miss Taylor.
I am here. Good morning.
You got to show up. You got a warrant. You got to come in here and take care of your warrant today.
What I have a warrant for?
I don't know.
They
don't lie to me, though. These guys don't lie to me. They tell me when somebody's got a warrant.
I'm not saying nobody lying. I'm saying I don't know. I have no paper saying I has a warrant. It say be back here on Zoom at 10:15, sir. I'm not saying anybody's lying. I'm asking what do I have a warrant for? It says
it's a non-payment.
I don't know what you have a warrant for, but you got to come up here now.
Now?
Yeah.
Nobody said I don't have no information saying I had a warrant. That's what I'm telling you.
The judge wastes no time. Once he confirms there's an active warrant, he orders the defendant to come to court immediately, making it clear this isn't up for debate.
None.
Yeah, ma'am. I don't want to argue with you.
I'm not arguing. I'm asking. I never knew.
Non-payment.
It's what?
Non-payment on a DW.
Non-payment on a drive while suspend. I'm just amazed that so many people act like they don't have a clue that they.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
I'm here for rent. I'm not even here.
They don't have a clue.
I'm here for rent. I'm here for a rent case.
You'll have a warrant for your arrest, and given that you're so adamant, I'm going to make you come here now. Counsel, you're going to have to log in about a half an hour. I'll handle this one in person. If she's not here in a half an hour, then I'm going to enter a default judgment. Period.
So do I come with the paper for rent too, or no? I'm just asking, sir. I'm not trying to.
You come with we're going to have the hearing on the landlord tenant. You're going to address your warrant.
Okay.
I'm just amazed that everybody's so shocked that they have warrants.
I am very
shocked. Tell them that, like, they act like I'm telling them somebody from outer space is coming to see them. I don't get it. Kristen Wiseland versus Terrell Scott, 2600798. Will be 1462808. Your name?
Kenya Taylor.
You're charged with failure to pay. We have a warrant out for your arrest. You were supposed to be here for a show cause on February 4th. I issued a warrant for $477 cash or surety. You have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to provide you with one now at public expense. Would you like a lawyer to represent you?
No, sir.
Okay. So you don't wish to avail yourself of that, correct?
Correct.
You have the right to a hearing. At the hearing, you have the right to question their witnesses, to bring in your own, to use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses, to avail yourself of that. Understand that?
Yes, sir.
That emanated from 2024. Did you fail to pay?
Yes, I made a payment. Some payments. I'm just not trying to pay.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Plea is accepted. You made a $100 payment on September 10 of 25. You were in here on September 10 of 25. I told you to pay $100 then 50 per week beginning September 19th. I'm just surprised, to be honest with you, when I told you this, that you were getting so combative. Like there's no way, any way in the world that it was you and you were in front of me and I don't know how you couldn't have remembered this. And I don't interrupt me now. And also, I'm surprised that you didn't avail yourself of my offer to come talk to me if you didn't have the money. And the reason I told you that is because I tell everybody that, and you didn't do that, and then you acted like you had amnesia and you didn't ever come to the 33rd District Court in your life. So just calm down. Yeah. Don't look at me like that. I'm telling you, that just agitates the devil out of me when people act like, who, me? Who, me?
And you can watch on YouTube to see what happens when you don't follow your...
Frustration builds as a judge calls out a pattern he's seen too often. Defendants acting shocked about warrants, even after missing payments and court dates.
diversion contract.
And then you got aggressive with me.
I didn't get aggressive.
You didn't?
I didn't believe I got aggressive. I thought.
Well, put it this way. In my view, you got aggressive.
I apologize. I thought we talking about rent, and you said warrant. I was like, me? I really was confused. Trust me. I was like, we was on a rent case. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm like, a warrant when?
I told you I...
No, it's about February 16th either. Just let you know.
Do you have the money to pay this?
No, I'm fighting for my life for rent right now. And I have.
Ma'am,
A paper
Ma'am.
that my income tax is took for tickets. This might be on there, actually. This is a whole list of tickets. I'm just trying to get you to listen to me. I'm not trying to be combative or anything. Trust me. I never knew. I did come in here, so when she told me that she told me I was late, that they pushed it back. She said I had to come to open court again. I just never made the open court because it's in the mornings all the time. That's it. That's all.
Are you working?
No, I'm laid off. That's why I'm going.
Then why didn't you come in here when you were
I'm
laid off?
laid off. So
When did you get laid off?
I work at Price and we laid off.
When?
We been laid off since February 12th.
Then why didn't you come here and talk to me on February the 12th or 13th? You said you couldn't come in because you're not available. You're working when we have court during the morning. I know. You just like, sometimes we need to quit while we're way behind. This is like losing 19-0. 2 outs, 2 strikes, nobody on. And they've got a guy that's throwing 100 miles an hour and you don't hit very well. You follow me? Does that make sense?
Using a blunt analogy, the judge compares the situation to a hopeless baseball game, signaling that the defendant's excuses aren't helping, and time is quickly running out to fix the situation.
Yes.
Well, what are you going to do to take care of this? You've got a case here that's been pending since June of 24, ma'am. I'm not excited about this. This is 21 months later.
Well, I did obtain a license. I did everything regarding to that, but
Let's, is the lawyer here on that one, Jennifer? You have a seat. I'm going to wait till he comes back. I'm going to go on to another couple cases and we will go from there. Okay? And maybe you can make some calls and have somebody bring some money for you. Heather, I just want to make sure that the press, because they did send this,